Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Today, I'm partner will tell about inspiring people in my life. Before we begin, I will introduce myself. My name is Naraheja Heningrum. I'm from Amazing Class. And you will introduce yourself.
Hello, my name is Fitriana Yati. Everybody calls me Fitri, and I'm from MS 106. So, we are going to talk about inspiring people, right, sister? So, how many inspiring people do you have?
I have two, maybe two.
Okay, two inspiring people. So, please tell me the first one.
First one is, of course, my mother. My father.
My father. So, inspiring people, they are your parents. So, why your mother becomes your inspiring person?
Because my mother always support me whenever I am where I am.
Mm-hmm.
She always support me. You can,
Yeah,
like that.
always support you
Yeah,
everything you do,
yeah,
like in education and
yeah.
in everything.
Everything.
The positive way.
Yeah, it's positive.
And then uh, another reason. Just give me another reason.
No reason. Passion. Calm. She hard, work hard for her family, of course, for me, and for my grandmother.
For her mother.
Yes, her mother.
Also, your mother's very kind, patient. Yes, same like my mother.
Oh,
Yeah,
really?
yes. I think in so all mothers have to be kind,
Yeah.
have to be patient, and then your mother never forcing you, never force you to study, but she always support you in
Yes.
every situation. So, tell me about your father.
My father. I'm John. No.
Is he same like your mother, unless he force you?
Yeah, but I don't think so. Him. Yeah.
Father, so uh, maybe if do you have another inspiring person? I mean, like an actress or an actor or maybe someone.
I like Audia.
Audia?
Yeah.
Who is that?
She is model.
Oh, she is model.
Yeah.
So, model in Indonesia.
In Indonesia.
Oh, so uh, she makes you, she give you what he did until you think she's inspired you.
Confident. I I want like to.
So you want to be like her
Yeah.
because she's confident, and then uh, you want and you can like her to become more confident,
Yeah.
and then
Okay,
That's enough?
that's enough. Thank you, everyone. Let's close our conversation. By this Alhamdulillah.
Um,
Goodbye.